Welcome to our channel. Creating viral short-form videos directly on your phone has never been easier, with powerful mobile editing apps allowing you to produce engaging content quickly. Step 1. Choose a mobile editing app that's optimized for vertical video, such as CapCut, InShot, or Adobe Premiere Rush, all offering intuitive interfaces for quick edits. Step 2. Record or import your video clips into the app, ensuring your footage is well lit and in focus for the best results. Step 3. Trim your clips to include only the most engaging moments, as shorter videos with fast pacing tend to perform better on social media. Step 4. Arrange your clips in a logical sequence that tells a story or delivers your message clearly within the first 3 seconds to hook viewers. Step 5. Add transitions between clips using quick cuts or simple effects that maintain momentum without distracting from your content. Step 6. Include trending music or audio by browsing the app's built-in library or importing sounds from other sources. Step 7. Add captions or text overlays to make your content accessible and engaging even when watched without sound, which is how most social media users consume content. Step 8. Apply color grading or filters to give your video a cohesive look and make it more visually appealing. Step 9. Adjust the timing of your cuts to match the beat of your music, creating a more professional and engaging rhythm. Step 10. Export your video in the vertical format at the highest quality settings supported by your chosen platform. Your viral-ready short video is complete and optimized for maximum engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.